Hello and welcome to another section in further mathematics. In this section we'll be looking at the topic the equation of a tangent to a circle. We'll be looking on the equation of a tangent to a circle. But before that, let us just make a fast review of our previous lesson. Okay, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about the equation of tangent to a circle. Now, when we talk about a tangent, what is a tangent? Now, a tangent happens to be a straight line that projects from any given point from a circle. So this is a tangent. This is a tangent, a straight line that projects out from a given curve. So even if you have a curve of this nature and a straight line comes this way, touching the curve at a point, this straight line is called a tangent. So it happens to be a straight line that projects out from a given curve to enable us understand the straight line. And one thing about the tangent is that a perpendicular line that comes out from the tangent gives us the normal. So if this happens to be a perpendicular line that meets the tangent at this point, this line is called the normal, while this other one is called the tangent. So the angle between the tangent and the normal is usually 90 degrees. Now, last time we talked about the equation of a circle. Now let's talk about the equation of the tangent. We had proved that the equation of the tangent is x1 plus y1 plus x1 in bracket g. It was gotten from equation of a circle plus y plus y1 in bracket f plus c equals 0. Now this was actually gotten from equation of a circle. Now if you apply this concept as the equation you're seeing here in proper analysis of the tangent of a circle, you discover that accuracy will remain your target in terms of actualizing this evaluation. Now let's go straight into solving questions on tangent for better clarification of what we've been discussing. Question number 1. Okay. Question 1. Let's say show that the point x square plus y square minus 3x plus 4y minus 19 equals 0. Show that this point, this is an equation of tangent. Hence and otherwise determine the equation of tangent to the circle. Hence and otherwise determine the equation of the tangent to the circle. So this is an equation of a circle. Now this is a question. Now, well, the first thing we have to do here is to state clearly the equation of a circle and prove that it is a circle before going into looking for the tangent. So when we have x squared plus y squared minus 3x plus 4y minus 19 equals 0. In order for us to prove if it's actually an equation of a circle at point 2 and 3, at point 2 and 3 of a circle at 2 and 3. So if you have this, proving it at point 2 and 3, so it's just to also substitute x as 2, y as 3 to prove if we have 0. If we have 0, then it's actually an equation of a circle. So we can state it here by saying 2 squared plus 3 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 19. Let's see if we have 0. So this is 4 plus 9 minus 6 plus 12 minus 19. So if you do that, 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 minus 6 plus 12 minus 9, okay, which is equals 0. So if since our left hand side gives us, the left hand side of this equation has given us 0, then automatically this is an equation of a circle. So we've confirmed and we've proved that first of all it's an equation of a circle. Now let's go into detailed solving of this. So we'll go this way. At point 2 and 3, okay, lies on the circle. We now have x squared plus y squared minus 3x plus 4y minus 19 equals 0. Now if we do comparison, we take part in comparison, compare it with x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. You discover that 2g is equals 3 and 2f is equals 4. So the value of our g is equals, okay, this is minus 3 from the equation. So the value of our g becomes minus 3 over 2. And the value of our f is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. That's the first step. So if that, then let's equate with the tangent. Let's equate it with the tangent. So we now say equation of tangent. The equation of tangent becomes, remember the equation of tangent of a circle I told you is x, x1 plus y, y1 plus, open bracket, x plus x1, you cover it with a g plus y plus y plus y1, you still enclose it with an f plus c equals 0. So we now have 3y plus 2x plus x plus 2. Then we now have our value minus 3 over 2. This is minus 3 over 2. So it becomes plus y plus 3 all squared minus 19 equals 0. So we now have 3y plus 2x minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 minus 3 plus 2y plus 6 minus 19 equals 0. So you collect like terms. The x term, the y terms are 3y, have 2y. So this gives us okay, 4y plus 1, 6y. So we have 6y plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 plus 4y plus 12 minus 38 equals 0. So by this we have x, so we have 10y 10y plus x minus 32 equals 0. So alternatively we have x squared plus y squared minus 3x plus 4y minus 90 equals 0. So this becomes 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y dy dx. Remember our rule that says nx n minus 1. Dy dx minus 3 plus 4 dy dx. So with this, we now state that dy dx is equal to 2y plus 4, 2y plus 4, which is equal to 3 minus 2x after collecting like terms and taking the value of dy dx at this point. So this is a value of dy dx. So dy dx will now be equals 3 minus 2x all over 2y plus 4. That's the value of dy dx. But the question said at 2 and 3. So at point 2 and 3, so that's to say you substitute x as 2, then you substitute y as 3. So we have 3 minus 2 in bracket 2 all over 2, y is 3 plus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 over 2 times 3, 6 plus 4 over 10. At that point, this is now let's go, and this happens to be the slope. You know, dy dx is a slope. So let's now get our final equation, and the equation is y minus y1 equals m in bracket x minus x1. So we move further to say y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 over 10 in bracket x minus 2. X minus 2. So this will now give us this times this, which is 10. 10y minus 30 is equals 2 minus x. 2 minus x. So by bringing it to this other side, 10y, if 2 minus 2x comes, it become plus 2x minus 30 minus 2, that's minus 32 equals 0. So the equation we've been looking for is 10y plus 2x minus 32 equals 0. I would all like to say thank you for joining us in this section, but to refresh your memory on what we've just discussed, please take the test that will appear on the screen very soon. Do well to use this lesson notes on the platform for a better information on the topic we've discussed. Thank you.